Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete site settings data. Now you want to delete the site settings data on your Opera GX is quite simple. From the home page here, the next thing you do is you look at the left side panel over here. Now make sure the get icon is showing. In case it is not showing, click on the three dots at the bottom to open the site by setup, and make sure you scroll down until you see settings and make sure you mark it. So once you do that, it will appear here, and then you can now click on the get icon, which is the settings icon, and then you scroll all the way down until you see delete browsing data. Click on delete browsing data, and sometimes it show up as basic, so make sure it's on advanced, and then you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. So on it, then you mark it. That's the thing you want to delete. The next thing you can do is you're going to check your time range. Set the time range whether it will last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Once you've chosen the one you want, you click on delete data. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.